This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice or a recommendation to invest. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Why do most traders lose money? Because they're constantly out of sync with the real market direction. Traditional indicators? They react after the move has already started. By the time you get a signal, the opportunity is gone. You buy at the top, you sell at the bottom, over and over again. But after analyzing over 1,000 indicators across different market conditions for nearly 2 years, I've found one scalping setup that's incredibly accurate for day trading in 2025. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, step by step.
If you're aiming to maximize profits with a powerful trading strategy, especially on short time frames, then choosing the right broker makes all the difference. That's why I personally recommend Market 101. Why Market 101 first? Ultra low spreads, keep more of your profits. Second, lightning fast execution, enter, and exit trades without delays. Third, negative balance protection. Your account can't go below zero. Fourth, secure link protection, trade confidently and safely. Fifth, max leverage options, amplify your potential gains. Sixth, multiple payment methods, fast and flexible deposits, withdrawals, exclusive offer, just for you. Sign up today using my exclusive link in the description and get a 100% deposit bonus.
And you will get 20% tradable bonus. It's very helpful to your trading.
That right double your trading capital right from the start. You'll also unlock pro-level trading tools, in-depth educational resources, personalized support from real trading experts. Click the link in the description. Join Market 101 and claim your bonus now.
Let's get started. To add this setup to your chart, head over to TradingView and search for Zero Lag Trend Signals. Look for the one published by Algo Alpha. This indicator is powered by a custom algorithm designed to eliminate lag. Unlike traditional indicators that wait for confirmation candles, this one spots momentum shifts in real time. It gives you two main types of signals. First, the major reversal arrows. Large green arrows mean a new bullish trend is starting. Large red arrows. A bearish reversal is likely. Now let's add a second indicator. This will help us enter trades at the right moment with even more accuracy. Go back to TradingView and search for Ultimate RSI. Make sure it's the one created by LuxAlgo. This indicator is a more advanced version of the classic RSI, with weighted inputs for better precision. For now, you don't need to change any settings. I'll show you later how to tweak them for even better results. We'll be using this in combination with the Zero Lag Trend Signals indicator we just added. Here's how the buy setup works. First, make sure the Zero Lag indicator is in the green zone. This confirms a bullish environment. Now check the Ultimate RSI. You'll see two lines, one orange and one white. Both of these lines should be above the 60 level. This confirms strong bullish momentum. For the final entry trigger, wait for the white line to cross above the orange line. Once all these conditions are met, enter the trade on the candle immediately after the crossover. Set your stop loss just below the green zone from the first indicator. Your initial target is a 1.2 risk-reward ratio. But if the price keeps climbing, great. Just trail your stop loss behind price action and aim to maximize your profit while protecting gains. Now let's break down the sell trade setup using the same two indicators. First, check the Zero Lag Trend Signals indicator. You want to see that the price is in the red zone. This confirms that bearish momentum is active. Next, look at the Ultimate RSI by LuxAlgo. Again, you'll see the orange and white lines. This time, both lines should be below the 40 level. This indicates strong selling pressure. For the actual entry, wait for the white line to cross below the orange line. This is your confirmation that bearish momentum is increasing. Once the crossover happens, enter the trade on the next candle. Set your stop loss just above the red zone from the Zero Lag indicator. Your first take profit target should be at least 1.2 risk to reward. And just like in the buy setup, if the market continues to drop, trail your stop loss to lock in more profit as the price moves in your favor. And that's the full breakdown of this powerful scalping strategy using the Zero Lag Trend Signals and the Ultimate RSI. If you follow the rules and stay disciplined, this setup can help you avoid false signals and focus only on high-probability trades. Want to copy my trades directly? You can join my free private signal channel. The link is in the description below. Inside, you'll also find real results, trade breakdowns, and updates you won't see anywhere else. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a setup. See you in the next video. And until then, trade smart, not hard.